So that's my cup of cappuccino. That looks amazing, innit? Alright guys, what I have here is the Dolce Gusto Piccolo XS by Nescafe. We have been kindly gifted by Tito Gary last Christmas. Right, so we don't actually plan to buy anything like this because we already have the Virgin Pure dispenser. It dispenses hot and cold water and it's already filtered, so I didn't think we'll have one coffee machine like this, but it's interesting to have. Right, so I'll show you how to use it, but before anything else, we have to clean the machine. It actually comes with a manual and it shows you how to clean it for the first time, and then shows you how to use it with some of the coffee pods instructions. So we bought 4 blends, Chococino, Cafe Light, I don't know, Cappuccino and Latte Macchiato, and I bought 6 latte glasses which can hold up to 240 ml. They're quite smaller than the normal latte glasses, but it does fit my coffee machine, so I think that's alright. Yeah. Right, so first off, make sure you have water at the back and then turn it on. This is the indicator light. So once we open this one, it will blink for 40 seconds, like to warm up. Okay, right, open that one. So for cappuccino, you have to put the milk first. There's like an indicator time there on the side of how long you have to wait for it to finish. I think that's gonna be like approximately 25 seconds. Okay, close. Then that green indicator means it's ready. Okay, and actually depends on the how big your mug is. So here, the lever, when you put it on the right, it's hot, and the other side means it's gonna be for cold drinks, but this is gonna be a hot drink. Yeah. All right. There you go. That's your milk. It depends really if you want to time it. So as long as you leave some space for the coffee later on, that should be alright. Okay. Yeah, and then we take that off. So we threw the milk pod in the bin already. So this is the coffee. The indicator says like about maybe 5-10 seconds. Yeah, and to the hot side. There we go, that's our cappuccino. Oh, look at that! Isn't that nice? So that's green already. You can take out the used coffee pod. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's like you're actually in a coffee shop or cafe where you order the same thing anyway, and these pods, like, they're in a box. They cost like £3.50, and it's already like about 8 servings, so that's actually cheaper than when you actually go to the cafe, because I think they cost about £2 minimum. I don't know, I forgot already. It's been a long time, really. Maybe £2 for like a medium cup. But hey ho, I've got this at home. So that's my cup of cappuccino. That looks amazing, innit? So I already took the coffee pod out. You just have to clean it. Maybe that's a drip tray. If you have some water drips or something, you just clean it, as well as the coffee pod holder there. You should clean it, and that's it really. You can enjoy your cup of cappuccino. Look, it's like a heart shape there. Or I'm just seeing things. Alright. And personally, I think I'm having more cups of coffee now that we have this. I just can't stop myself to like get a cup of coffee. But yeah, it's really nice to have. Thanks for watching!